What's up guys, Rick with RallySport Direct here. On the last video, we installed the Grimmspeed Stage 3 kit on this STI along with the Accessport. Well, it's time for the dyno. Now, I'm gonna head out here in just a second. The tuner was able to get us in on his day off, which is awesome. We're gonna see how it does. Now, we're not gonna be pushing this, to the extreme. This is going to be, daily driver for one of the guys, and we wanna make sure that it runs well, and hopefully it should make some decent power, and hopefully it all stays together as well. I always get a little bit nervous. Now, it should be a pretty quick video, so sit back, relax, and enjoy. All right, guys, we just got back from the dyno. Final numbers are in. 302 wheel horsepower, 343 foot-pounds of torque, and that's at 17 PSI on a stock turbo, the Grimmspeed Stage 3 package, the Cobb Accessport, and a custom tune. So overall, I would say it did incredibly well. Feels great. It's nice and crisp. The power is linear. It just is perfect. This is what this car needed. And I'm super stoked we were able to do it, and big shout out to the tuner who was able to get us in on his day off. They seem to be pretty backed up right now. So anyway, if you guessed right on the previous video, I'll look it up and see who was right and send you a swag bag or something like that. Anyway, I appreciate you guys watching. I'll link all the products down below, of course, if you guys are interested. Yes. Anyway, appreciate you guys watching. You guys are awesome. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Let me know what you think. We'll see you guys on the next one.